Okay, I love my mini biomat. It's been a trusty companion for many years and it still works great. However, there is a fatal design flaw in the Richway biomat, and that is this little plastic strip that goes down the front. When it's new, it looks really cool and you can see the amethyst and tourmaline stones inside. But over the years, the plastic degrades and now mine is all cloudy and opaque, like old cataract eyes. I looked online to see if other people had solved this problem, and I found a couple of videos where people were showing how to glue strips of cloth over the section. This solution looks super cute, but as more and more of the little pockets degrade over time, you're just going to end up with a bunch of stone debris lining up the big fabric pocket. So here's my contribution. I decided to use gaffer's tape for my base layer. I don't recommend duct tape for this project because duct tape will leave a gooey mess after a while. Gaffer's tape, on the other hand, is flexible, durable, easy to remove and replace, and is heat resistant since it's often used around electrical equipment. The plastic strip on my mini mat is about an inch and a half wide, so I went with the 3-inch wide gaffer's tape to give me plenty of coverage. As you're working your way down the strip, make sure to press the tape all the way down into each groove so that it doesn't come apart when you fold and unfold the mat. If you think it looks ugly like this, then now would be the time to cover it with a nicer strip of cloth, knowing that you'll have a stable repair base underneath it. As for me, I like black, and I always use a cloth cover anyway when I'm using the mat, so I'll just leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and if you have any tips to add to solving this problem, please share it in the comments.